Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a chocolate frog from Harry Potter. Now to begin with this, we want to start with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little circle for the first eye. And then right up here, I'm going to add another circle for the other eye. And this one can be a little bit smaller. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go right around the eye like this, a little bit closer to the edge here. And then over here, I'm just going to draw a little line down here, and then a little line that goes down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve down like this. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to go up, and then down like this for the mouth. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to curve around, just around the mouth, and then it's going to go up like this. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down for the head. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to curve down and in for one side of the body. Then starting here at the face, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down for the arm. And then I'm going to start here and draw another line that goes down. Now, they have really big feet, so starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to go down like this. Another one that's going to curve out, and then it's going to come back. And then I'll put one more out here that's going to curve to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up, and it's going to come up here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down for the other side. And then I want to make the back leg. So to make the back leg, I'm going to draw a line that curves out, and then it's going to come down like this. Then on this foot, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come around just how I did up here for one of the toes. Then I'm going to make another one right here, and then one more right here. Then I'm just going to kind of curve and then come around here for the leg. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. Now, starting right here, I want to put the other leg. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. And then this one's going to be closer together, so it's going to come down like this. And then I'm going to end up running it all the way down to here. And then I'm going to make this line curve up a little bit. Then this foot, I'm going to draw a toe right over here. It's going to come down to here. I'm going to put another toe right over here. And then I want to put one more right here. Then I want to put the other hand right here. So I'm just going to draw one toe right here. I'm going to put another one right over here. And then finally the last one, just a little bump right there. Then right down here, I'm going to draw a little line for the back. And then I'm just going to put a little dot right here for the nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of a chocolate frog from Harry Potter. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.